Welcome to the Cherie Amour Show. Please subscribe to my channel. Hi, today I'm going to show you the fastest way to get an afro. First, you'll need an afro comb that you can buy from any beauty supply store. Next, you'll need a spray bottle, which has water in it. And then you may need curl activator. I like to use curl activator on my hair because it works really well with natural hair. As you can see, I already have braids in my hair that I'm taking loose. The braids help to stretch your hair so that you can get a nice full fro. Check out this playlist of tutorials to get more ideas on how to do natural hairstyles. While you're unraveling your braids, you could be watching a TV show or doing something to keep your interest. You can even watch some of my other YouTube videos. Right now we're on plait number 3 of 12. Everything's going great. Keep it going. You're almost finished. After you've removed all the braids from your hair, you're gonna get your water spray bottle to moisten your hair. I sprayed the bottle 2 times and then I squeeze the water into the hair so that it doesn't drip and to make sure that the moisture really gets into the hair. Next, you'll take your afro comb and start combing from the bottom of the hair. Then you'll keep combing the hair until you get to the root and until your hair is fluffy. Repeat the same thing with the next portion of hair. You use your spray bottle, you spray the hair a couple of times while you're squeezing at the same time into your hair the moisture so that it doesn't drip, and also to make sure that moisture really gets into the hair. Then you start combing the hair from the bottom and you work your way to the root. By the way, did you hit that subscribe button? Make sure to subscribe to this channel so that I'll know that you like this video and I can create more videos like this one. Thank you for subscribing. Now that my hair is completely combed out, you can already see that it's taken on the afro shape. Next, I use the curl activator just to put a little bit more moisture into it for manipulation, and also because it has a nice fragrance. Next, we're going into the shaping process. We grab our afro comb again and start combing the hair forward. Combing the hair forward would help you get the round afro shape that you're looking for. At this point, I begin to use my hands to pull the fro out into the shape that I want. After pulling the hair out, you begin to pat the hair so that you can maintain the fro shape that you have established. In order to shape the fro around your face, you can spread your fingers and pull your fro forward and use your fingers as an Afro pick. Continue to shape the fro until you get your desired look. Now that you're finished, you have an afro that you can wear with confidence. So what do you think? Click the like button if you like this hairstyle, and let us know in the comments if you've ever worn an afro before. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.